Hello everyone, my name is Manu. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great in life. This video is related to my 5 AM study vlog. आप सबकी पढ़ाई भी अच्छी चल रही होगी. As we all know, TGT exam date will be released soon. And for those who don't know, I am also preparing for DSSB TGT Natural Science. Let's jump into the video. First, I woke up at 5 AM and it is basically a task in winters to get up, but I managed it very well. तो दिन की शुरुआत होती है with 1 glass of warm water. After all my morning rituals, let's make a to-do list. I set at 5:30 AM for my first study slot in which I had Hindi. हिंदी में मैं अलंकार कर रही हूँ अपने नोट्स से. उसके बाद मुझे MCQ प्रैक्टिस करने हैं इसी टॉपिक से. तो फॉर डैट आई विल पिक अ रैंडम वीडियो फ्रॉम यूट्यूब जिसमें MCQ प्रैक्टिस करवाए गए हों. कोई भी प्रैक्टिस करवाए, कोई पर्टिकुलर नहीं है कि यहीं से प्रैक्टिस करनी है. अपने को तो बस MCQ से मतलब है. हम सब इफ़ यू ऑल्सो एग्री विद मी, MCQ ही तो चाहिए. वैसे तो सबको अपने नोट्स बनाने चाहिए, बट इन केस इफ़ एनीबडी वांट्स टू गो थ्रू माय नोट्स, then leave a comment below in my comment section. And also guys, it is important to measure your study by little progress steps, either by doing mock tests or by doing previous year question papers. Don't worry if you are not moving at the speed of others. Your efforts are different, your journey will be different, and that is all matters. For the second slot, I decided to revise S block from my notes. I am a kind of person जिसको अपने खुद के लिखे हुए नोट्स पसंद आते हैं. I am sure you guys can also relate with me. DSSB TGT पार्ट 2 में मेरा नेचुरल साइंस है, तो इसलिए मैंने नोट्स PW से बनाए थे S ब्लॉक के. After completing this, I will definitely practice MCQs related to this chapter. For that, again I will pick a random video from YouTube, maybe it from PW I think, क्योंकि अपने को तो बस MCQ से मतलब है. S block comes under the inorganic part of chemistry, which is basically a theoretical part. There is no numerical, no brainstorming process. You just have to learn all theory conceptual wise. For those who feel lazy during studying, trust me guys, use Pomodoro techniques where you can do 15-minute study and 10-minute break. 15-minute study and 10-minute break. And by doing this continuously, you will realize how far you have come. बहुत syllabus complete हो जाता है. I also use this technique. जिसको तो पढ़ना ही नहीं है तो उसको तो क्या ही बता सकते हैं. After that, I have online yoga class from 7:30 to 8:30. I will continue this video after my yoga session. done with my yoga session. It is 8:45 a.m. right now. I had a very good workout. I mean, you feel it when you have a very good workout. मतलब बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. Now I am super hungry. Let's make something for breakfast which is healthy, quick as well as tasty. वर्कआउट के बाद तो कुछ अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट होना चाहिए ना. I am making veg sandwich for my breakfast. It is my comfort food. I love having it in my breakfast. Now it is 10 o'clock. It is time for another study slot. I am going to practice mensuration from S. Yadav publication. This book is very old. I think 2015-16 का एडिशन है, पर कोई नहीं, क्वेश्चंस तो इसी लेवल के आएंगे एग्जाम में. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, I do not have a good command on this subject, and to overcome this, I am trying to practice questions daily. Bye everyone. Hope you find this video useful, and for notes you can comment down. I will share with you all on Telegram. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye. Happy studying. ये सब मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया है. बस एक टॉपिक मेरा रह गया फिक्स्ड प्रीपोजिशन का, वो मैं इवनिंग में कर लूँगी. बट अभी आई एम सुपर टायर्ड. आई नीड टू रिचार्ज माई सेल्फ. इट इज़ माई टाइम टू टेक नैप. आफ्टर दैट आई विल स्टडी.